going to explain Power BI DAX text functions. This is my Power BI desktop. This is my data. I'm going to report. Hi friends, this is my data table. I'm planning to create one new column here. I'm planning to create new column here. I want this first name information. This is upper lower cases. I want upper cases. This one. I'm entering here. Upper. I want uppercase. I want first name 1. I want uppercase for this. I'm entering here. It's loading right now. Here I am getting uppercase. This first name is lowercase. I am applying that text functions. I am getting the uppercase. Uppercase for this is lowercase. This is uppercase. Next, I want to lowercase. I want to last name is lowercase. I am going to create one new column. I want uppercase. I want lowercase. Then lower. I'm selecting the data from. I'm selecting last name. This is lowercase. I'm getting lowercase here. Here I'm selecting. This is uppercase. Last name is uppercase. Is it? I am applying text function. I'm getting here lowercase. Is. Next I want to last position 3 words and first 3 words and last 3 words. If I am taking here uppercase, I want here first 3 positions. I don't want this remaining one. I want only all rows. I want only first 3 position. I want only. I'm taking new column. I want only left 3 position only first. I want 3 position first. I'm applying it here. I'm selecting. Here uppercase I'm selecting. I want only 4th positions on first 4th positions I want. This is the fourth positions. This is left side. I am applying this text function. I am getting fourth position. Here only 3 is there. Why is 3 is there? Here one space is there. That's why getting this 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is space is fourth position here. Here you can see that here scene is this is fourth position. 4 positions. Here also fourth positions. You can see here is, you can check here IAN space is there. This is fourth position. Here also IAN space is fourth position. These are fourth positions. Left. I want right side fifth positions. I want. I'm taking the one more new column. I want uppercase words. These last 5 positions. I am applying text functions. Right. I want only 4 characters. Last right side 4 characters only. Selecting uppercase. I'm entering 5 characters. Last 5 characters. See, I'm getting last 5 characters here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inquiry and see. This is last 5. Odor is there. Ronin. These are right side. Right side 5 characters. This is right side 5 characters here. Left side 3 characters. I'm asking. I'm selecting here right side 5 characters only. Next, I want to explain. I want middle information. This is middle characters information I want. I'm taking one new column here. I want middle information, middle characters only. Mid. Here I'm selecting uppercase. I want 3 and 4 characters. This is a 3 and 4th characters. 3 to start here. 3, 4, 5th. Here ANT. This is 3 characters. 3 is there. 3 to 4. Here C. 3rd character to 4th character. This is CTOR. 4th characters. 3rd to 4. Here AN is a middle space is a MA. These are totally 4 characters. Here also 4 characters. This is A to 3. Here middle space is there. This is space. Here you can see here. See this third position. 3rd position to 4th position. You can get here. Middle of the words. If you want starting words, you can left side. This is you want ending ones, you right side. Middle you can want, you can select positions. If you want third character to fifth character, you can select third to fifth. You want here I am selecting third to fifth, third to fourth I am selecting third to sixth, third character to sixth character. Here again you can see here. Oh, some is not the characters. You can see here. This third to sixth character is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 is there. Here also 6 is there. Here also 6 is there. 3 to 6 characters here also. You can select this type of also. If you want middle name, you can select that middle characters 1 to 5, 1 to 6, 1 to 7 also. If you want first character, you can enter left, and you can take how many characters you want. Here I want 2 characters. So first two I want. This is only first 2 characters is there. This first left side first 2 characters is there. This is right side. This is left side, and this is right side. This is left 2 characters I am asking here. This is 5 characters here. This is middle characters.